Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be working on this Hoover Celebrity QS. That's the other half of it. In mint green. This is owned by a friend of mine, and he bought it from the thrift store a while ago, but it just needs some general maintenance. You can see the stickers haven't even come off yet. They had some trouble finding a bag for it. Apparently Eureka H type bags are not the same as Hoover H type bags, which is strange. But yeah, so you can see it has some problems here, like with the little furniture protectors popping off there. That looks like an easy fix. The bulb, of course, doesn't work. The brushes work, so I don't think I'm gonna have to do anything with that. This just needs some cleaning. I've already lubricated the wheels. All right, so I have the head unit, brush unit, whatever you want to call it here. And first, before I start cleaning, because I was going to do that, I thought, you know what, I'm going to fix the rubber here and replace the light bulb in it. So, myself a screwdriver. How does this come apart here? Oh, the top comes off, okay. Alright. Belt seems to be good on the brush rolls. That's the switch there. Okay. This should be just push and turn like that. That bulb is out. Got a new bulb. I'm just putting it in. I'm going to clean off the whole thing just a little bit, I guess. Just so I'm going to dust out. I'm not going to be super thorough with this. I'm going to clean it, but I'm not going to try and get really like a deep clean, because it is, after all, it is a vacuum cleaner and it is just going to get dirty and dusty again on the inside. So there's not a lot I can really do about that, but I will clean off where the light bulb goes. That's always good to do. Like that. I will, however, try and grab out some of this hair and crap, where I can anyway. And oh, this doesn't come out like that. There we go. Brush rolls. So yeah, I'll do a little bit of cleaning on this, and then the motor seems alright. I don't think it needs oil. And besides, well, I might oil it a little bit, but you don't want to oil these too much, because then you're just going to attract more dust to it. So, okay, so now the brush roll is lubricated and cleaned up. I'm going to put that back in. Still need to do a little bit of cleaning on this, getting all this crap out. Trying to dust this off. The brush roll was kind of difficult because there were little holes that had a bunch of dust in them. Anyway, this can go back in now. Actually, I will oil this bearing here. As you can see, this one, I didn't realize it was exposed like that, so I'll do that real quick. Okay, so I actually did decide to take apart this motor because it was pretty clogged up. I didn't realize how bad it was. Now I'm just trying to get it out. Maybe that won't work. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna come back when I figure this one out. I ended up not being able to get the rotor out. In fact, the stator started to come out. So I just decided to manually use some pliers and get all the crap out of it as best as I could. And then I had already greased it, but I put a little more grease in there because it didn't seem like it has enough, and now it seems to spin pretty freely. So yeah, I'm just putting it back together now. I cleaned out a little under the motor. I have to clean out some more. There we go. So grab this. I'm gonna have to vacuum off my workbench for all this. Alright, so that's all good now. Now I gotta put the switch back together. Okay, there we go. And I'll just do a little more cleaning on it, and then I'll put it back together, and then I'll start working on cleaning this off. All right, I'll have to get a little closer for this one. So I've heard that simple green and magic eraser works, and I'm trying. I believe this is totally awesome, or something like that. Cleaner to get away scuffs. Looks like it's working. See, that works. Do that pretty much around the whole unit. Just kind of getting away all the scuff marks and any other dirt and grime, just to make it look nice, you know. Like stuff like this. Yeah, it's washing away. And once I'm done with that, I'll be back and see what else I need to do. Which is probably gonna work on this next, the rubber. All right, here I'm working on this piece now, the vacuum cleaner itself. Move it in the frame there. This should be easy. I'll just wash it in the sink and scrub off any scuffs like that. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to get rid of this rust here. Of course, peel off the thrift store stickers. I'll have to do that. I want to see how bad this is here. I wonder if I can use some metal polish, and if that'll pull it out or if it won't. I mean, some of the rust is already coming off anyway. And I cleaned off all the cobwebs on the bottom earlier. In fact, there's still some. Must have been left out in the garage or something. And then this I'll probably use the magic eraser on to get off those scuffs. And I'll be back when I'm done with that. You can see the magic eraser works pretty well for all those scuffs there. Like that. And they're all gone. I'm gonna have to go around the sides like that. Get all that stuff off. And then just do a little more cleaning, and then that'll be about it. Oh, and I still have to do the hose. I might see if I can put that in the dishwasher. Or I'll just have to scrub the whole thing by hand. I don't know. But, so yeah. Okay, here it is, all cleaned up and polished. Now I'm just going to turn it on and test a little bit. The cord's plugged in. I cleaned up that too. This is all clean. As you can see, it's not scuffed anymore. The rubber, everything. I got some of the rust off. It scratched it just a tad there, but it's a lot better than it was. It's not rusty anymore. And the tube is pretty clean. I probably could have gotten it cleaner. It's just a pain in the butt to clean in those ribs. And it's definitely a lot brighter than it was. It was a lot more gray and grimy. But now we'll test it. That's for floor, and that's for carpet. Looks great. And I'll unplug it and show off the cord rewind. Just gotta get over here and unplug it. One thing to note about these Hoover vacuum cleaners from this era is that they had the the cord clip, because the lower end models that didn't have the cord rewind would use this to clip, but they all, even the ones with the rewind, still had it. So as long as this cable doesn't tangle up with it. Here's the rewind. Makes that easy. I don't know why more vacuums didn't have that. Alright, well that's all for now. Thanks for watching.